Okay. So, trying to think of best case scenario. Not wild about all the electronics and stuff on this vehicle. And 3-valve motor doesn't make me super happy. It just complicates everything. And it's got ABS brakes, which complicates things a bit. My idea is to take the running gear, computer, and electronics out of this, swap it in that. Because if you look at the engine bay in here, I mean, doesn't that look a lot more desirable to work on? This, you know, hey, it does have ABS. Did not know that. I guess most vehicles this age do. The other truck's got a, you know, bigger radiator. But got this for sale, and nobody wants to pay a decent price. I got this for sale like $1,500. A running engine, drivetrain, and everything. You can actually drive this, and it works fine for $1,500. But nobody seems to want to pay that for it. So I think the best case scenario is, because I like this drivetrain, is to at least take the engine, well, not the engine out, but maybe the engine, the computer, and all the electronics, and all the running gear, and all the best stuff out here, and swap it into this vehicle over here. I would try to use the computer out here, but this has got an electronic throttle, and that really complicates things. So I'll probably even have to swap the dash because of the airbags and stuff like that. Big project, but this engine's got to come out of here anyway, and this is also most cost-effective route to take. Besides maybe buying another truck, but they don't make the truck that I want. I want the truck with the 4x4 coil suspension and the 2-valve motor in it. So I've already got this stuff. I got a good price on it. Just takes some labor. Of course, I want to work on this camper too. We'll have to figure out what to do about this. I have a computer for stick that I bought for this year vehicle. Let's see if this thing will crank up. Oh, reliable. I don't know, this motor might be going in that truck. It sounds good. Airbags look the same. That's cool. Might not be that big a deal. I wonder if the dashes are the same. I like the other dash a little bit better, but maybe I'll just get me a 2008 or 9 dash and put in here. Just go hog wild with the whole thing. I gotta change the wiring out because I want electronic locks and stuff like that. But oh, I changed my seat out from the other truck anyway. Better seat. Okay, I'm going to see if I can run this engine off of that stick, computer I have for a stick. I think it's the computer's under here, if I remember correctly. Yep, that looks like it right there. I guess that's it. Where is that thing? Yep, that's where it plugs in right there. Here's a computer I got for a 2-valve manual out of 2004. So I'm gonna pop this in here and see if it'll work. Manual computer runs it. I have a project ahead of me. Got to swap the motor anyway. Might as well swap the motor and the wire in. And I'll update the other dash. This will get kind of complicated. Everything should fit the same. I know not sure I'm going to put this motor in there, but it's definitely going to go 2-valve 5.4. This one runs great though. Maybe a good idea just to pop it in there. And mounting that computer is a issue. Look at this crap. Could put the window in there. Kind of debating whether I'm going to put the windows back in or not, but my wife seems to think she wants more windows in it, so we probably will put the windows in there. This is why I don't have it mounted yet. Every single day it rains here, and the rest of this week it's going to be raining. It's done this for like a month, so at least I don't have to worry about wood rotting, other than that wood is exposed, but I'm going to tear that out anyway. I'm going to have it so it doesn't deteriorate. At least I don't have to worry about the bed getting wet or any of that stuff. You know, rust is a little issue, but nothing major. It is what it is. I'm sure we'll get paid back with some very nice days later. So, yeah, may still put that window in there. If you look out there, the yard is about to become a lake. I should have kept working on the boat because it looks like I'm going to need it.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.